drinks form comprised of the choco mudslide, vanilla mudslide, cookies and cream, caramel slide, coffee slide, strawberry, and rainbow. I put some drinks to balance the ordering system. Another is the sandwiches. Form of sandwiches is another is 7 sandwiches I put on my form. The egg sandwiches, hot dog, ham, and as you can see, I put number, type, and cost for the balance and consistency of my work. Next is the specialties. For specialties, I have known that these are some um, favorite foods of the Filipinos. Um, the gustong kainin ng mga Pilipino, katulad na lang ng halo-halo ng french fries, pineapple juice, and others, so that they are put in specialties. While in if we click the button of the register, we can go or through the register form. Go to the register form. You can go to the register form. Yes, register form, and as the register users or the customers of my system, I put some information, few information about the customer. It is the ID, customer name, the gender, the date of birth, street, barangay, town, district, email address, phone number, username, and password. I put there to recognize the customer, as usual sa mga katulad nating mga nag-online, syempre nag-online selling. Kailangan talaga ng information kasi hindi mawawala yung mga nagkakaroon ng scam, ganon. Kahit nagkakaroon tayo ng nagre-register ang mga customer, hindi pa rin nawawala na merong naluloko. Kaya kailangan nyo ganun. After naman nun is the login form. Login form where we can, after we put our username and password on the register form, we can log in and go to the home form as the home page of my program. This is it. And for the second part of my blog, it is the source code of my online food ordering system. The codes of every buttons on the upper corner of my form, which is the home, is this. This dot close form home F1 is equals to new form F1 dash it. Dot one. Dot one. Dot one. And next is the other source codes of my buttons. And another is yung mga source codes din nila naman ay magkakatulad, kaya ipapakita ko naman source code na lang sa inyo ay yung sa register form. This is the codes of my register. This is my codes. This is my codes. That one. This is my code. And it will store on the text files. And after registering, we, we can be and can be able to log in the source code. String pass, this one. This one, string pass to this. And after having the login of the users, we can be able to jump on the home page, which is the form 1. This is the last, and I will the other one. After clicking another details of the form, you will see this form, which is the caramel slide, chow, and others. Caramel chow. All of the products. That is, after seeing some of the forms of my system, let's take some short run of the system. Right. Is the home? About us. News. Drink. Sandwiches. Specialties. Register. And login. Good. After this short run, let's try to put some info about my ID is, for example, 1. Customer is my credit card. After that, we jump in register. Let's try the login. 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 Okay. Next is we need to have the other. Sa huling part ng aking program, this is the checkout part or the place order form. Nakikita natin dito ang another na logo. May nilagay din ako ditong order image. May dalawang button na clear and place order. Nasa baba rin nito ang quantity with text box, shipping to o yung pagdadalahan address, categorize Nakategorize siya sa bali apat. Yung drinks, meals, specialties, and sandwiches. Tapos, after maklik ng categorize, lalabas yung mga products na yun sa list box 1. And, meron tayong delivery options, standard delivery option, payment method na cash on delivery. And another is cost, delivery fee, and total. Yung delivery fee ay depende sa kung anong address ang i-input ng customer. Tira natin ang program. Okay. Let's put 2 and let's walk. Categorize is meals, or lumpiang Shanghai, fried chicken, sizzling pork chop, bonus bangus, quarter cut, meaty and fried noodles. These are the products in the other form, which on the first part, the stand. Let's click on this. Okay. Lumabas siya dun sa picture box. And click for the delivery options and cash on delivery. This cost is automatic na naglalabas pag clinic natin yung nasa list box. Tapos, yung delivery fee naman ay kung ano ang sinulat naman natin sa shipping fee na dumedepende doon. Which is, ang total niya is 110. Try natin i-clear. Yan, nawawala siya. Okay. Try natin ang another 5 when we try another this ham. Lumabas siya na ham ay 29 pesos na may delivery fee, ang Buena Vista na 40 pesos, kaya nagkaroon siya ng total na 185. Let's click the place order button. Okay. Your order is already been placed. Thank you for ordering. Okay. Let's see the last part, the source codes of this form. This is the codes, source codes. Okay. Source codes. Source codes. This sticky box, the sticky box, then that one, that one, yeah, okay. Yeah. For my source codes sa pagkwenta ng order, ito lahat. Okay, this is for the string, and take a look for the last part. For the delivery, I entered Rock, Gasam, Revista, Torrejos, and Fog, Santa Cruz. Okay, and for the last part. Okay, try to run another. Okay, so the quantity is 4, shipping is baby gas, or don't put. That's 1. Please fill up your address. Talagang kailangan ilagyan ng address. So, specialties, black lamang, sagog, siopaw, lohalo, and french fries, pineapple juice. Sorry, pineapple juice. That nagbabago din yung kanyang cost, delivery fee, Total, another, sige ba? So, please find order. Okay. And that is my online food ordering system of Good Chow. Thank you for